I'm gonna be super straight with y'all. When I first saw the shoe, I kind of didn't want it, and I still kind of don't. But I haven't looked at it in hand yet, so this is gonna be my opportunity. And if you haven't seen by the title, it is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low with the fragment on the collaboration. The problem with it is that I'm not a big Jordan guy. I've only worn one pair of Jordans in my whole life, and that's the Union Desert Moss Jordan 4s. And I wore them twice. After that, I have not worn another Jordan. Still looking to wear another Jordan. It's just hasn't been in my agenda. Either way, I got this off Travis's site. I didn't get off of Nike like everybody else did. Here it is. The problem here with this is that it's expensive. Very expensive shoe. After they charge you. I got off of Travis's site, so everything is about I think it was like $16 to ship it. So I paid approximately about $170 something for it. Either way, it retails for about $150, which is great. I got the Travis Scott 1 Lows, the first pair, a while back, and I let those go, which was stupid because now they're about $1,300. When I originally had them, I sold them for about $500 or $600. So should have been a longer term hold, but I've learned my lesson from that. That was actually the first hype pair of shoes I ever copped. I regret selling at this point, but it's all good. I got these, and these are $1,300 out the gate. So this is basically it. Here's the box. Typical to your Alma Maniere with that little thing you slide out. So I like the box. It's cool. Fragment. It's odd that they collabed with Fragment. All right. My whole thing with Fragment is the first Royal one that they did was cool. The Fragment logo hit hard, and that was it. And then they had, they've done dunks, they've done a whole bunch of other stuff, and then they retro the dunks, and I have a pair of those somewhere around here. They're in this pile somewhere. But it's like they just haven't done much that has been boom, you know what I mean, from originality standpoint. You got the little print and all that junk. And then you have the threes that they did, the Jordan 3s, which were super basic. It was just a black and white Jordan 3. I have a pair of those too. I heard those things yellow fast, but we'll see. I have to go get them shipped to me at some point. Either way, we're over here for the Travis Scott Fragment collab. So this one's sought after. Everybody wants it, blah, 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 blah. So story behind this is that the release was actually a little better than the highs. The highs, wow. If you got a pair of the highs, you're a very lucky individual. It was a heavily botted release, only released on Travis Scott's website. Rumor is there's only about 2,000 pairs that released through his website, so almost a zero chance of getting it if you were just trying to be a regular person trying to get it. But some people hit, some people got them. You know what I'm saying? So those shoes are going for $3,000 to $4,000 right now. Nobody knows why it's like that, but it is right out the gate. And these are going for about anywhere from $1,200 to $1,600. I got mine in a size 12, like that. Funny story about these. I was away. I was in Philly for a long weekend, and got delivered. It was sitting right there. Whew, luckily I got them. We have a locker system now that they lock up stuff, but these weren't locked up. They were right out in the open, and if somebody knew better, they could have walked away with a pair of these. But who knows? It's crazy times we live in. But luckily, I live in a safe and secure area. So, they do have that Jordan 1 smell. Love it. So, cracking it open, you got your typical Travis Scott paper. I'm not going to go through all the nitty-gritty details with y'all because at the end of the day, it is just another shoe. So, pulling these bad boys out. Oh god, I do love that smell. I might give it a good whiff in a second. Whew. All right, so you get all that. Love the box on this. No cap. Get these out. My first time looking at these. So there they are. Oh man, that smell, man. There's nothing off about the smell of these. God bless you, America. Whew. So, from a construction standpoint, they're well constructed, man. I do like the way they did the color palette on this. The nice tumbled leather on the swoosh right here, the big backward swoosh. All premium leathers all across the board, nice and soft here. You got a Fragment logo here. You got the Cactus Jack logo there. See that? Beautiful. Yeah. These, I believe, got released August 13th. $150. Sale. That royal blue. That black. It's actually not that bad in hand. The tongue matches them laces in that swoosh. You got the Cactus Jack right there. See that? Cactus Jack right there. Fragment design on that puppy right there. And they kept it consistent, man. Cactus Jack Air Jordan. So you know whose shoe this is, right? You know whose shoe this is. You know it's a Travis Scott. You know it's a Travis Scott all day. No fronting on that. And then over here, very faintly, I'm hoping I picked out when you can. Both shoes have the same thing. You can see this is Cactus Jack. If I get right in the camera with that. This is Cactus Jack right in between the swoosh and that side panel. And then it has the Fragment branding there. Travis, Hiroshi, tooling code, blah 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 blah. Both have these. So a lot of fakes of these are floating around. Luckily I have receipts. This is real, straight from Travis' website. It's dope. I mean, for a Jordan 1 low, I mean, I got a gray and black pair that I'm really feeling right now. So I don't know. I mean, obviously you're not gonna get any better than this collaboration, but it's like, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna reserve judgment and want to let y'all tell me what you think, because I do feel Jordan 1 lows are very, very wearable in a sense. You know, it's a very summery type of shoe. It's a low. It's chill. It's a good vibe. It's a good vibe on a shoe, right? Certain ones, they have like brighter colors. They have it's a good shoe. And if you live in the hotter climates, it looks great with shorts and all that good stuff. Personally, oh wait, forgot. 3 extra laces. So you have your cream colored laces here, or sail colored, and then you have like a pink. That's a pink, black, and blue. So the pink looks dope in here. I've seen that already. I mean, black if you're trying to go, neutral. And they're all wax laces, so super premium there. And yeah, it's a good product, man. I ain't gonna lie. But number one, not being a Jordan guy, and number two, this shoe's worth $1,300 right now. I'm gonna sell it. Because look, at the end of the day, I'm not a reseller. I wear what I wear. I like what I wear. These are dope though. I'm glad I got them. I'm hoping that a lot of y'all hit on them and have the time of your life wearing them if you so choose to wear them. From a pricing standpoint, these are a little more expensive than the size above and the size under. So 12.5 and 11.5. So I'm thinking that resellers didn't really go for 12s like that, and a lot of people who bought to wear cop. So with that knowledge, obviously, so there's a lot of personal pairs that's out there, right? People just wearing them personally, and then the resale market's a little higher because the ones that sold are the ones that sold, and whoever's trying to hold on and sell them for higher is selling them for higher now. And I am one of those guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna sell it for if I end up selling it. I do want to come up a couple $100 more than 13, so maybe 15, 16. Who knows? The holidays come around, but who knows? With COVID catching on, man, we might have an economic down crashing where nobody can buy anything. But who knows? Either way, I give this one a 7 out of 10 when it comes to shoes. Yes, People saying it's probably the shoe of the year. But again, personally, not my cup of tea. I do like everything about it for the most part, from a aesthetically standpoint. But like, when people say that this is the hottest shoe, 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 is it really? Is it really? I don't know. It doesn't look too hot to me. It's a freaking shoe. It's a freaking Jordan 1 low, right? It looks cool for the most part, but is it the hottest shoe? You tell me. I mean, I'm not in love with it. I like more modern looking shoes, obviously, from what we critique on the channel, but you tell me down below. Like, subscribe, listen to the podcast. All the links are down below, and get at me. It's H, back on another one. Peace.